Hey, it's Nick from T7 Training, and I'd like to invite you to our PivotTable Intensive training course. Now, this is a 45-minute online training session and it's live. I'm right there with you, working with you, teaching, so you can ask questions as we go through. Now, this is ideal if you're not really too confident about using the pivot tables in the workplace, or if you've never used them before. We'll show you how to set up the data perfectly, we'll show you how to set up the pivot table perfectly, and we'll take you through lots of skills, including things that you're probably not even aware that pivot tables can do. So have a look down below for details about how to enroll, and I look forward to working with you real soon.